Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to search text fast in Excel. So how do you do that? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I've done right here. As you know, Excel is a product of Microsoft. So if you don't have Excel and you want to download it, just go ahead and open your Microsoft Store and locate Excel and fill through the prompts to download your Excel. So once you do that, the account is going to be automatically added because then you must have signed into Microsoft. So it's going to be integrated and your Excel account is going to be created for you automatically. So here, let's see how we can find let's see how we can search text faster in Excel. So in this document that I have opened, let's say I have, let's look for a unique value. Okay, so Amarilla, so this Amarilla or VTT. So let's say VTT, and I want to look for a VTT as a text in this sheet or in this document. All I need to do, if I want to do that faster, okay, let's go ahead and look at the longer route, and then we're going to take the faster route. So top right corner, you're going to say find and select. So click on find and select and click on find, and it takes you here. So go ahead and find what you want. So let's say VTT and click on find next. And then it highlights VTT for you. So that way you've been able to find that. So click on close. So it's going to be pretty much a headache to just head over to find and select and go ahead and click on find and find. So if you want to do that very fast, then you have to use your short keys. And how do you use your shortkeys? Go ahead and click on Control F, type in Control F. So Control F is going to bring this find and replace option for you here. So let's say I want to find Velo. So I'm going to type in Velo and click on Find All. So everything here has Velo. So these are all the options that have Velo. You can see this has already been highlighted. So this is the cell that has Velo, the value, the formula. You can see this is a sheet name, so that's it. So if I want to say find next, this find all, and this is find next. So click on close, and I have Velo highlighted here, so I can easily find this text Velo. So that's how I can do that faster. So Control F, and that's the quick route, or head over to the top right corner, click on find and select, and follow through with the longer route. So that's pretty much how you can search text fast in Excel. Now you can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.